Hi friends, so welcome to day 3 of our Hong Kong trip. Day 3 in Hong Kong started with full excitement because today we were going to meet the famous Big Buddha on Lantau Island. And for reaching there, we took the Neong Ping 360 Crystal Gondola, which basically means the cable car with a glass floor. So yes, Hong Kong said enjoy the view and also please check your courage level. As soon as the gondola started, the scenery became absolutely beautiful. On one side, we could see the sea, mountains, and tall buildings. And on the other side, we could see our own feet through the glass floor. Honestly, the view was amazing, but the floor was giving mixed feelings, half excitement and half why did we book the Crystal Cabin? The cable car ride is around 25 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. It's long. And it takes you from Tung Chung to Neong Ping village. The best part is that Hong Kong suddenly changes its personality here. One moment you are in the city with malls, traffic and green mountains and calm water like you had entered a nature documentary. Inside the Crystal Gondola, everyone had their own reaction. Some people were enjoying the view, some were clicking photos, and some were carefully checking whether the glass floor is really strong. And of course, once you sit on the transparent floor, it becomes mandatory to take dramatic photos. See, like we did. देखा आपने कितने कितने सुंदर views हैं इसमें. See, there you can see the airport also, the Hong Kong airport. And now we are moving up. अब देख रहे हैं we have gained a little height here. And अब और ऊपर आ गए हैं. Now the kids they have started with the Nagin dance on the floor because बैठे बैठे क्या करें, कुछ तो करेंगे while enjoying the beautiful scenery. बच्चों को देख के पापा जी में भी जोश भर गया. पापा जी भी कहते हैं मैं भी क्रिस्टल फ्लोर पे लेटूंगा and then I'll enjoy with the dance. Now just see the views around, the beautiful scenery. Reaching the top, 25 minutes as I said, it's a long journey with the beautiful scenery. अच्छा ये interesting है. You can see the road. ये पता है कहाँ जा रही है? ये मकाऊ जा रही है. You feel कि अरे थोड़ा सा गया आगे और रोड जो है समुद्र में चलेगी. And yes, that's true. अब so मकाऊ का यहाँ से करीब 1.5 घंटे का रास्ता है. And you take the road. नीचे जाता है ऊपर आता है, सी से नीचे जाता है ऊपर आता है. So that's how the beautiful the way is. Now we are about to reach the top of Buddha, Tian Tan Buddha. We've reached the Neong Ping village. अब Neong Ping village पे जाकर के हमारी photo session. After the ride, we reached the Neong Ping village. This place has a very calm and tourist-friendly vibe with shops, cafes, signboards, and nice open walking areas. It feels like a small cultural village created specially to welcome visitors before they go towards the Big Buddha and Pollen Monastery. Then came the main attraction, the Tian Tan Buddha, popularly known as the Big Buddha. And yes, it's really big. The statue is around 34 meters high, including its base, and to reach near it, visitors have to climb 268 steps. So basically, spirituality with cardio. मजा आया ना? By the time you reach the top, you feel both peaceful and breathless. So now you can see we are moving towards the Big Buddha. This is a beautifully decorated area. Walk करने में भी बहुत मजा आता है. उधर के views देखने में बहुत मजा आता है. Weather was too good, amazing. The walk towards the statue is beautiful. The pathway, stone, railings, mountain views, and peaceful atmosphere makes the whole experience very special. So even if someone is not very religious, the place still feels calm and powerful. There is something about standing there with the mountains behind you and huge Buddha in front of you that makes you slow down for a moment. Around the Big Buddha, there are also beautiful statues and detailed architecture. The whole area is very well maintained and every corner feels photo-worthy. But let's be honest, after every few steps, someone in the family becomes the official photographer and someone becomes the director. क्योंकि व्यूज ही इतने अच्छे हैं, हर किसी को अपनी फोटो चाहिए, दूसरे की फोटो चाहिए, सबको हर एंगल से फोटो चाहिए। और मजेदार चीज, वहां पर इतनी हवा चल रही थी, ऊपर इतनी हवा चल रही थी, ऐसा लग रहा था उड़ जाएंगे। हार्दिक को तो हमने बचाया है उड़ने से। तो इट वॉज दिस वॉज फनी, आई नो। ये वहाँ पर एक नीचे थोड़ा सा वॉकिंग एरिया है जहाँ पे हम घूम रहे हैं। अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था। दिस इज द डिटेल्ड आर्किटेक्चर दैट आई सेड अभी, कि वहाँ पर मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ बुद्धा ही है, देयर आर अदर स्टैच्यूज ऑल्सो विद वेरी वेल मेंटेन्ड आर्किटेक्चर। सो इट्स ब्यूटिफुल, इट्स एवरीथिंग इज फोटो वर्दी। यू जस्ट फील दैट इन एवरी nook and corner you need to take some photographs. Just look at the view, amazing. ये टॉप से है, इतने प्यारे व्यूज है ना, आपका मन करता है बस वहां पर उस ब्यूटी में, उस सेरेनिटी में आप खो जाओ। बहुत अच्छे व्यूज हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे। लगता नहीं है कि आप हांगकांग में, बिकॉज हांगकांग इज एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी बिजी, वेरी बसलिंग विथ स्काई स्क्रेपर्स, एवरीथिंग। यहाँ पे माउंटेन्स में आकर के तो ऐसा, मतलब हिल्स थे ये, नॉट माउंटेन्स, बट ऐसा लग रहा था इट्स वेरी वेरी पीसफुल। बहुत अच्छी जगह है। तो एवरीवन जस्ट टेकिंग द फोटोग्राफ्स। मम्मी पापा थोड़ी देर रेस्ट करते हुए, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स इतनी सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ कर के आए हैं तो थोड़ा रेस्ट तो बनता है, वाइल एंजॉइंग द सीनरी अराउंड। So now, after spending some time near the Buddha, we are visiting the Pollen Monastery, which is also located nearby. So यहाँ पर we are going to the Pollen Monastery. The monastery is colorful, peaceful, and beautifully decorated. Inside the golden interiors, lamps, ceiling designs, and statues create a very grand and spiritual atmosphere. It is one of those places where even your voice automatically becomes softer. So now we are moving towards the monastery. बिल्कुल पास में ही है, so if you are going there, please do visit this place. This is very beautiful. काफी काम है, peaceful है, अच्छी जगह है विजिट करने के लिए। The temple area, this looked absolutely beautiful, especially with the golden lighting and the detailed artwork. इतनी सुंदर monastery मैंने अपनी लाइफ में पहले कभी नहीं देखी। It's such a beautiful monastery, बहुत अच्छी है। Every corner had so much color and detail that camera could not really fully capture the actual feeling. Sometimes you know what happens? The travel videos, they show the place, but the real atmosphere can only be felt when you are standing there. You can just feel from these photos itself that कितना अच्छा वहाँ का आर्किटेक्चर है, कितनी सुंदर ही अंदर से मोनेस्ट्री है। With a pin drop silence, everything was very calm, serene. ऐसा लग रहा था बहुत ही एक काफी पीसफुल जगह पे आ गए हैं हम लोग। बहुत अच्छा था, फैंटास्टिक। अब हम यहाँ से बाहर निकल रहे हैं। So we also saw the lovely gardens, water areas, and peaceful corners around the monastery. After the excitement of the cable car and stair climbing mission, this part felt very relaxing. The colorful lanterns and decorations added another beautiful touch to this whole visit. Towards the end, we again enjoyed the views of Lantau Island, the sea, the cloudy sky, and mountains. ये वहाँ पर पता है, this was the only place जहाँ पर हमें only vegetarian food मिला. Because inside the monastery, non-vegetarian food was not allowed. अब हम यहाँ से वापस जा रहे हैं, and रास्ते में while going, तो यहाँ पर एक पास में एक village है, which is Tayo village. तो we thought कि हम थोड़ा सा वहाँ पर भी explore कर लें. So this is the photograph of the Tayo village. But honestly speaking, we got lost in Tayo village. We missed our bus. We had no clue how to come back to catch the cable car, because we had booked the cable car for both ways, and Otherwise, we had an option of going there by going down by bus, but since we had booked the cable car, so we really wanted to go by cable car only. But luckily, we uh, found some way, came to the cable car, and now going back. Now you can see again, um, it's almost sun is going down. It's evening, a little dark. Last view of our feet from the cable car and the water beneath. पूरा sea नीचे दिख रहा है इसमें. And this was a mesmerizing experience. So towards the end, we enjoyed again the views of Lantau Island, the sea, cloudy sky, and mountains. Now we have come to the city, saw a beautiful car with which the kids wanted to have some photograph. So that's it. So not just the shopping streets and skyscrapers, but also nature, peace, and open landscape. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.